What's going on, guys? This is Josh with JC Landscaping, back in another video. So it's been a while since I've done a face-to-face video with you guys. Did a couple videos a while ago for some blades and stuff like that. So this is a new product. I've seen a lot of videos on TikTok and Facebook regarding these. It's a portable waist fan. Clip it onto your belt and get some air movement around your clothes when you're working outside. I was skeptical at first. I was like, yeah, that's a little bit of air, it ain't gonna do that much. So today it was 93 with a 103 heat index here in Ohio. So it sucked. No air movement at all. There's no breeze, nothing today. So it was just nasty. So about the product here, I found it on Amazon. I believe it was $27 and some change. Ordered it last night and I got it today. So I was able to use it when I went out today to mow. And I did 14 properties today. And yeah, it sucked. So in the box, I'll move up here so you guys can take a look. It does come with a neck lanyard if you wanted to wear it around your neck. Not really going to work for me. It also comes with the booklet, and then you also comes with a USB-A and a USB-C cable. And the unit here itself, so of course I had to go with the OD green. So here on the unit you have a large clip on one side, power button, and LED readout screen that shows the battery percentage and also what fan speed. This has 5 separate speeds. We'll get into that here in a second. Small clip on this side. This side you have the Type-C charging port and the Type-A charging port. So you take this cable, you can plug it in here. You have a 10,000 milliamp backup battery to charge your phone, which is pretty cool. You can also charge a phone if you have a Type-C and a Type-C cable. You can use that as well to charge your phone. The Type-C port is for charging the unit. On top of it here, it has 2 holes for the lanyard to go through. It has a very super bright LED light. So you hold the power button down once. Battery percentage is 97%. The LED light comes on. Super bright. You hold it down again, it goes into SOS mode, which is kind of cool. And you hold it down again and it turns the light off. So here, I'll come up here closer. You click it once. You hear the fan spin up. There's stage 1, stage 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is turbo mode. Pretty cool stuff. So let's get into the bread and butter of it here. So the large clip is made to clip onto your belt. For some people it will work on the right or left. Right side it won't work for me because I'm right-handed when I'm weed eating. You end up hitting it with the weed eater, so you can switch it over to the left. But to use the unit, you ball up your shirt and you slide it through the smaller clip. Then you just click the power button. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then you can see the amount of air it's moving instantly cools your body because it's hot out. There is no wind today. It is muggy. So any air movement across your body is going to feel great. This right here, instantly cooling my core. Like I said, weed eating wise, it wouldn't work on the right side for me because I hit it with a weed eater, so I can move it over to the left. But when I was mowing today, I have a stand-on mower. I mean, I could have kept it over here, but actually where I sweat the worst is either in the front, right here in my chest, which the stand-on, this wouldn't really work because I lean up against the mower. But I actually had it mounted on my belt, right on the small of my back. Right, and it blew straight up the center of my back, and it felt amazing when I was mowing today. Even like I said, you know, as hot as it was, any type of air moving across your body, it was nice. So you know, I'm not sponsored by this product. Like I said, I found it on Amazon. I will leave a link to it in the description. Yeah, it's a really interesting product. I didn't think it would work. I was skeptical at first, like I said. I didn't think it was going to make that big of a difference, but yeah, it really did today, and I'm going to use it again tomorrow. I have another 14 yards on the schedule tomorrow. So I will maybe do a short video mowing. You guys can see the amount of air. Maybe we'll have a breeze tomorrow here in Ohio, hopefully. But if not, that's it, guys. Just a short video for you. Like I said, I am not sponsored by this product or this company. Just a lucky find on Amazon. I will leave the link, like I said, in the description. That's it, guys. Be safe out there and stay hydrated. As hot as it is, I know it's hot everywhere in the U.S. right now, except for Montana. They were getting snow in Yellowstone. I saw that on the news last night. That's pretty wild for June. But anyway, that's it, guys. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.